Can you tell me exactly how it started?
Yeah. So, basically, it all started at like 11 p.m.
Hey, you want some fucking chips?
No, I'm good. Thanks, though. You gotta stop putting cameras in the bathroom, man.
Well, I got a fucking colonoscopy in the morning, dude, alright? I gotta keep a close eye.
It's just not normal.
If you're sick of cameras in the toilet, go get your own job, make some money, and get your own damn place.
I took a job interview I probably shouldn't have. I mean, I'm not perpetually unemployed or anything. I'm not always the greatest at making decisions. You know, as a kid, I was told that if you lay with the dogs, you get the fleas. And if you nest with the birds, you get your wings. You know, but I mean, fleas are hard to get rid of once you got them. My roommate's annoying as shit, so I needed to get some money.
Welcome, come on in. I've already got a job for you. You know who this guy is?
No.
Whatever, it's not important. All you gotta do is, give him these performance enhancers.
What about a pharmacist?
Guy's a big shot tennis player. He takes these before his games. Here's his address, and
Why can't you take them?
I'm a busy guy. Business is booming out here. Just don't get caught, all right?
Okay.
Great. I'll give you a sample on the house.
The drug stuff was trippy.
So how do you feel?
Like I could do a bunch of push-ups.
Great, that's how you're supposed to feel. Now get out there, you have some work to do.
I mean, not that I'd ever do it again, obviously. And then I had to go pick up my roommate after I got the drugs from his colonoscopy. And then that's when the journalist showed up.
Special police. Well, special investigators. Investigative journalist. Journalist.
You're giving drugs to Ryan Dutch, right?
How do you know that?
Journalism.
He's taking animals.
That's not drugs. That's my medicine.
I can't believe your blatant disrespect of America's pastime.
And if you care about fair sportsmanship,
Doping is
then
ruining
you'll
this
help
country.
us. And we won't tell anybody you're drug running.
Okay, fine. What do you need me to do? And, you know, after that I got my roommate.
Bro, where the fuck have you been?
And we went to go deliver the drugs with the journalists and the microphone.
Who the hell are you?
I got your drugs.
Where the hell have you been, huh? Come on, man, I've got to be moving on. My match is in 1 hour, and I'm not high.
Yeah, sorry.
How do we see what's going on inside?
We followed?
No?
Good.
Can I get paid? What I saw when I was on a small amount was crazy, you know? So And he was snorted like a madman, so I can only imagine.
Hit the ball. Do it, son.
I will, Dad, I will.
Oh.
Where you going? Sit down.
Whoa, hey, let's put the gun down, okay? Let's take it easy. Good girl? Should I call the police? And then the journalists got in the house and...
Special police! This is a citizen's arrest!
I mean, what more do you want me to say about that?
The journalists are here.
Do it, son. Do it, son.
Now, obviously, you want to know what I learned from this and how I'm gonna be better and stuff like that. And some people just have bad days. You know, some people are just shit people. And some people just learn the wrong lessons. And then some people, you know, focus on things that they probably shouldn't be focusing on. You know, and some people just are too hard on themselves.
You understand you're gonna be in here for a long time, right?
That makes sense. At least I got a new place though, right?